I'm now playing penny roulette again. In the right hand window I've got Roulette Key Gold open, in the left hand window penny roulette. I'm starting with £110.86. I've set the player to fast play. Now I'll just spin the wheel and enter the numbers into Roulette Key Gold as usual. I'm primarily waiting for the hidden even chance when 18 numbers remain. At the moment there are 27, so there's some way to go, but something else may turn up. Let's wait and see. There we go. That said bet £3 on high and one on the numbers 13 to 18. That wins straight away as number 22 comes in. I keep spinning and entering the numbers into Roulette Key Gold. Now any minute there will be 18 unhit numbers. There we go, 18 unhit numbers. So I'm going to place 20p on each of those numbers. Have to concentrate here, but it's not too bad on this table. You can take your time. On live tables you may have a problem getting all the bets on. So when the total bet says 180, I simply double it, and that makes it 360 on each number. There we are, and it wins straight away on number 33, returns £7.20. Now I click on the reset button in Roulette Key Gold, and this resets the counter to 37. Now I just keep spinning the wheel and entering the numbers into Roulette Key Gold as they occur, waiting for 18 numbers to come up again. Oh, an alert for 3 finals. That's every number ending in 0, 1 and 6. So that's 12 numbers in all. So I make the bet up to 96p. And it loses, so I rebet and spin, loses again. Now I've got 3 6-ains as well, so I bet on the 3 6-ains. The 3 6-ains bet wins £6. And the 3 finals are still outstanding, so I now place 50p on each final. That's every number ending in 0, 1 and 6. This time I win, quite a nice win, as number 10 comes in. Now another 3 6-ains, so I bet on those, 4 to 9, 13 to 18 and 22 to 27. This wins straight away. Now there's 18 unhit numbers again, my favourite bet. Nearly time to stop. So again I place 10p on each, double it and then spin. Total bet of 360 and this loses, so I double to 720 and this wins. My closing balance is now. I end this session after just 2 games, 14 minutes, with a closing balance of £139, up over £28 in 14 minutes. And this is my 10th successive game. Thanks for watching. See you next time.